Yeah, welcome to Danbury. This is actually easier to do than it looks. Yeah, 84 was like stopped. They're letting through a couple of trucks now, a couple of cars here and there, but this is going for miles. There was a tandem tractor trailer that went off the road, and there is one that went off the road on my side of the road about a mile ahead of us. So not much fun here. It's like a 3-hour trip from LaGuardia. We dropped off Matt at LaGuardia about 2.5, almost 3 hours ago actually, and he's already on the ground in Charlotte, and we're still here. So it is ugly.